Hey everybody, welcome to Oak Hollow Garage Road Trip Edition. So I am just about to head off on a 3-hour drive one way to go pick up, I'll put a picture up somewhere, that little mini bike. It's a Honda 1969, it's a 1969 Honda Z50 silver tag. I found it at auction and could not pass it up, so I am on my way to go get it. So I will see you guys there. Well, I think this is it. I see some signs for the auction. Whoa! Ooh, ah. Alright, well, we'll see where we need to go. Alright guys, well, I picked it up. I didn't actually film when I was there. It was super quick. I just went in, gave my name, and they took me to the bike, and I loaded it up, and out I went. One really cool thing that I did not expect is this bike came with the original title. So that's a super rare find, is to get one of these bikes with a title. So I'm super excited about that, but I am on a tiny, windy country road, so I'm going to stop filming and pay attention to where I'm going. Well, we got her home. So this is it. 1969 Z50. It's a little rough, but it's certainly serviceable. Got a bent handlebar here. Looks like that gear shifter might be bent. I mean, it's curved kind of nice around the engine. I was told that it was apparently bored out to 70 cc's at some point. Yeah, you know, just some loose wires dangling here, but this frame seems pretty solid. I don't think there's any leaks in the tank. There's your standard dents from the handlebar stop's not working anymore. Oh, let's see, she leans quite a bit. There we go. But it's in pretty good shape, all things considered. I'm gonna clean it up, see what we can do to get the engine working. Looks like the oil leaks a little bit. Maybe replace the heat shield here. It's got a really tiny short fender. I thought it was cut off from the pictures, but it looks like that's the way it was right out of the factory. This is a silver tag. You can see right there. So that's kind of cool. I have not validated where any of the serial numbers for the engine or the frame. This front fender is white. I don't know if that's a factory thing or not. I really don't know much about the 69 or the Z50s at all. Actually, this one looks white as well. So maybe those are aftermarket that they put on previous owners. And this is missing. There's usually a longer tailpipe that comes out, and then the tail light assembly and headlight assembly. You can see headlight and tail light are missing. So that's what we've got. Non-functioning, led a rough life, but I don't think it's in too bad a shape. I think it's serviceable. Obviously the seat's pretty torn up. I'm gonna try and maybe get a new seat for it. Probably new exhaust, new fenders. Not sure if I'm going to try and convert this back to a 50 to get it stock. Just leave it the way it is. 6-hour drive, but I think it was worth it. I was surprised that the title came with it. I did not expect that. So yeah, cool stuff. Anyway, stick around for updates on the Z50. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'm gonna just wash it, clean it up, and see if I can get spark, see if it'll run, and then we'll move on from there. So I think I want to keep it mostly Survivor looking, so we'll see. I think I'm probably going to replace the handlebars though, but maybe I can bend it back out, but probably not. So anyway, any thoughts, comments, advice, ideas, please hit me up in the comments below. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.